I signed up with Team Rubicon in September.
I've been with Team Rubicon since about 4 or 5 days into Hurricane Harvey.
I've been a member of Team Rubicon for about 2.5 years now.
I was tired of watching the news, so I decided to do something about it.
I was watching on TV the flooding in the streets, things like that, and said, fuck this, I gotta help.
Team Rubicon for me is giving me an opportunity to open that can of whoop ass back up and use it out on the world.
All these different skill sets and backgrounds, and at the end of the day they say, do people need help? All right, we're there.
I sold drugs half my life, tearing up the streets with what I was selling, and now I get a chance to rebuild the streets.
We have that mindset to get that shit done.
Gunslinger planning right at the last second. Holy shit, this hurricane actually made landfall, now what do we do? There's nobody at any point that says, well, what if we can't do it? That's not something that you ever hear.
When all hell breaks loose,
I am prepared.
I do whatever it takes.
I answer the call.
I'm motivated to get shit done.
I am determined to get these homeowners back in their house.
I am determined to do whatever it takes.